There's a pretty king parrot. It's eating apricots. I can't get a good shot of it, can I? If I go over there, it'll probably fly away. Isn't it a gorgeous colour? I had a good picture of it a moment ago, but I had the wrong sort of setting. Listen to that whistle, that's its friend in the distance. Oh, aren't they gorgeous? Oh, isn't it gorgeous? How do I get closer? I want to get closer. So they're the ones who've been eating the apricots lately. Here we are. Here we are, that king parrot. Those king parrots are up in the Aleppo pine now. They've just been eating apricots. But I discovered they were up in that tree. There they are. I can't film in there, can I? I want to see them in all their full glory in the sunshine. How beautiful they are in the sun when their feathers glow. Listen to that hot, dry wind. No wonder they're all thirsty for fruit. So gorgeous. Isn't it beautiful? Look at that colour. Hidden away from my view. They know I'm here, don't they? That's why they're not coming down. There are apples on the ground, but they're waiting for me to go away. Where's the other one? There's another up there somewhere. And there are ripe plums and ripe apricots in the orchard itself. But anyway, let's see. I'll move and see if I can get a better picture. Okay, those king parrots are around. Let's have a look. Are they king parrots? Over there somewhere. I just saw one. Where are you? Please don't fly away. Oh, there it is. I think, yes. There it is, on the branch. Where are you? I can see it from here. There it is. Aren't you gorgeous? Isn't it wonderful? Where is it now? Out of range of my camera. I can't sit out in the sun, that's too hot, I'd wilt. Who's that? Willy Wagtail, at least. Who is that? Is it a blackbird? What is it? Is it a blackbird? Yes. I'm not sure. Was it a lady blackbird? English blackbird. I can film the blackbird any day of the year, but I can't film parrots every day of the year. Where are you? Show yourself. There we are, there's a king parrot eating apples. Isn't it gorgeous? Sorry about that hot, dry wind. Oh. Aren't they beautiful? Not the nicest shot, but They're eating delicious and Granny Smith apples. King parrots aren't supposed to be in my area, but they are anyway. Distribution maps don't always tell the truth, do they? As its friend. Is she the female? Is that the female? Or gay or something? Let's have a look. Or a junior one. Sometimes they change colour when they grow up, don't they? They start out one colour and then they end up another colour. Where are you going? Well, I don't feel my life is wasted if I fed some beautiful birds. We really must all plant more trees, we should. And we'd have more parrots, we would. Isn't it lovely? Well, that's them. There's a little bit of my life, showing you my life, a tiny microcosm. Oops, you're not going to fly off with all that, are you? I've seen them drop apple and everything. I've seen some parrots drop an apple from a tree. Who's that? Is that a blackbird? I can't quite see. Where are those two parrots gone?